those two chargers is different, and that's the reason why the time will also be different. So make sure you use your iPad charger on your iPad. Very simple, just make a quick look at your charger. Next thing up is also a hardware thing, or what you can say. It is your cables. I have some cables here, and if I show you here, this one is not looking good. I can see the wire inside the cable. So this is a cable that is not working as expected. So make sure to check your cables that you are using for charging. I have another cable here. This is a fresh new one out of the store, and it is not broken anywhere, and it is charging as I expect it to do.